Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Wagwan.
This is your girl Maria.
The Island boy Africa.
And we are, yes, we're at a fancy place, which we'll talk about it in the next video. But for now, we're here to talk about
some good news.
Some great news.
Yeah.
For everyone that has been waiting for a while. Babe has finally got his laptop back.
Finally, guys. You see, so if you guys are new, you guys probably wouldn't know, but recently, what happened, babe?
Oh, yeah, sorry, recently Babe's computer shut down and we thought he had a virus.
Yeah, and yeah, so...
And all the footage from our trip.
Yeah.
Which the trip was to...
Yeah, we made a community post, you know, and you guys guessed where we were going and all that. And yeah, that trip is back on again because... Basically, we recover all the footage and everything. So, yeah, within the next 24 hours, you guys will definitely get the first, what you call it? The first series.
The
first series.
The first whatever.
Yeah, of the trip.
It was both our first time, so you'll see that we were lost in most parts of everything.
Yeah.
And Island. Hi, look at that face. Oh my gosh. So guys, as you can see, me and Babe look really tired. We just got off a train. We just went to see my mum.
Yeah.
We are back in Sydney and I will explain to you the reason why we're back in Sydney. People are probably going to think that we're like millionaires or something.
Oh my God.
But no, it's nothing like that. It's far beyond the money and all of that.
Yeah.
So, you know, just two casual people, you know, just... having to do what we have to do, but I'll explain that next time.
After this trip, guys, you know, we'll definitely give you an update of what's going on. Why are we back in Sydney again? So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. Within the next 24 hours, catch you.
Brainy.
It already happened, guys, you know. So it's just that unfortunate that the computer was, you know, we couldn't get any access and I couldn't. So
you're going to get these footages first. And then our Sydney ones that we're doing now.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Makes sense.
Hope you guys get that. Hope we don't get too confused about. You know, we're kind of tired right now, guys.
Really tired. We're ready for bed.
Yeah, man. So yeah, guys, stay around for that. Within the next 24 hours, when you guys see this, we start.
All right, let's go now.
We on a roll now. Let's go now.
Ding ding.